Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, depends on your time and your location and where you dey watch me from this time. I remain your brother, your friend, Dada Massis. I beg. Yes, okay, thank you. Yes, definitely. Let me, I want you to come make it clear to everybody because I was on live video watching some video. My name is still measured. Please. I beg, I want to tell everybody. Anything that concerns insult on social media, Dada Massis is not like that now. Why? Since the juju matter don't they go on for this Facebook recent one? Understand say I talk anything. Why am I showing my name? Say na so you go beat me. Na so you hag boegbe. Okay, if they ask you now, they need that way. Na gele ne we oh. Because you guys see this, maybe this boy is too calm, is too I don't like trouble. Okay, the new when one man. Can you just give me the reason that this is what Dada Massis did to me? Or did to a person close to you, or your friend, or your brother, or your neighbor? What have I done? Just ask yourself. Take me out of social media insult. Can you bring one video out that where I don't take cost person papa, cost person mama, cost person pikin, or cost person wife, or cost one live video presenter? You cannot bring any of my video out now that have insult this person, bullying person. Insult is too much. Say bullying anybody. I don't do such. So why say wag? Ah God. Ne women me o teme. How na one might escape? How na one might stay away? Ne women na on me no se ne na women. On me no se no na lenezo. Etezo gare ati gbina. Eti nini agajikot eti amigo weze. We na weti yom eta ka we mi yom aweti. We na we you know go eta mi nu ya gwan. But there's a reason why I choose to live my life like this. Ina yati ezoni igoma we. Igoma we means I love peace. You don't know anything about me. Video and make be. You don't know why I choose to be in who I am. That you don't know why I choose to be what I got. What I choose myself to be today. You don't know the reason. Must everybody be coming out to be insulting people, or must everybody be? I don't know as I want to put on. No man mi agbon or baligbe. No man mi agbon or baligbe. Ni mi no kwa mai degbon, ni mi no kwa mai degbe. Or ta wi yon duma. E mi no kwa ga degbe. On no mi agbon e who do see life. Me don't know say God give a second chance. Please, I beg you guys in the name of God, take me out of social media insults. I don't do such. I was just watching video Dagbe. Everybody else say because I know they talk. It's that guy, you might wear. This will not the insult people. This will not sabi drag. It just now go just come out they beg. I know why I choose my life like that. Get why I choose myself like that. Please, I beg. Even with social media, or social media, they women wag me kweku. If you curse me now, you insult me, you beat me. You beat me for no. I don't get social media power. You just beat me for no reason. I beg you in the name of God. Since this juju matter, this second one, understand say I don't interfere. Understand say I talk anything. Understand say I will do live video put. I'm just on my own. Because I don't want anybody to say, okay, Dada, now you this, now you. You see, I suffer with them, and even this juju man, I know they gem. I did France. You can see where I am. It is France. Oh, give me what gualo where on I want my talk put. Which I want talk put. The first one that people. I may say so. I may believe that. The first one, there's a reason I did that, and the reason was accomplished. I did that for a reason, and the reason was accomplished for both of these two of my brothers. So this second one, I look and say now they matter. You see, I say I talk put. When I do ever say this second juju paper, what make it that go on you are? What make me involved for that first one? I was begging the two parties, no, they sort our wife and our families. And my mission on that first intervention was accomplished. So what do I need to be prognosing? Please, when I where wala white imo bobo we no me na gay ogo me ku hia a dames use agini bieme ari dame use agi o ime wo hame ama woteme when he say na ri se imame jeni ya ziye ye Ghana imera ni ya zera ye Ghana ogo me ku hia. That's why I stay on my lane. Please, if you say you want to beat me for social media, now you will beat me well. Nothing I'll do. For no reason. If I offend you, tell me I will apologize. I'm very good in apologizing. Because you don't know why I choose myself like this. Na mire mi mo igbe ba mani we o ka ta mo ki no se ni dado ge na live life for get we yan. Wala wo. You want in social media. I don't get power for social media. Even in social media. I don't say it's a bono with social media. I don't say even live video presenter like me, I can never insult you. Even though you offend me, I'm the verse, I'm the paranoid, that they do this, I can never insult you. Because I don't know the kind of heart may you get. I don't know the kind of mind may deal with you. Wala wo. Social media matter no concern me. Dinya mwebo nyati bonegbe o nya mwebo mwebe ebo girl anybody o ma me yare ebe bokia abi me ati ebo na. So de na igwale ni meji we de ni dada gi we agbe dada no ro ya agbe for what reason? Just tell me the reason. Hey, Keviola Gweola Koko one. I greet you, Baba Nai. This is Belongo. Just tell me the reason. Those 1 million. Tell me the reason. Why bringing my name? You guys are very powerful on media. When me on social media, I go me. Imo that don't make no mameti. We are work be me kweku. U better what me woke dada ya agbo egume wa imi awe. Oh, what we video do me no ba mo what we video message to dada that I make sure go tie me. Ya wa tie we wa imi awe. Wala wo. E uni le video na tie bono ma wa ri me yivo. Me ro yo wa wala o. Ina we offend you were there. But send a message to me. Whether through live video, I will receive it. And if you want me to apologize, I will apologize. I will definitely apologize. Please, I'm begging you all, take me out of whatever is trending on social media. I have nothing to do with it. I'm not part of those things. And I don't welcome those things. I have a mission. I have a race. Wallahu, I beg you guys in the name of God. Wallahu. When me na uri social media go me. Uri na go wa talo e go me. Wallahu. If I have offended your friend, offended your colleagues or anybody close to you, if you cannot send me a message, Right, just say message to Dada masses. Definitely I will see it. I go listen to your grievances. If you want to apologize, I will come and apologize. That no me say I be mumu. That no me say I don't know what I dey do. No me say go comot anything from my body. That no go make me fat. It no go make me slim. Say I apologize to person, say please forgive. I mean I'm sorry, 90, you know. I'm sorry. I rescue one. Nothing I'm sorry cannot do. I don't feel big for anybody. Nobody may not reach me to say I'm sorry. Be you whether or you offend me, I will still tell you so. Let the sleepy dog lie. Everybody should go. Live and let's live. That is my life. My life is too easy. I'm a very easygoing person. But there is a way I sit to get my own wrong. But when it comes to personal life, I'm a very easygoing person. Very easygoing person. Wallahu, I beg you. Live video presenters, please, on anything that concerns insult, count me out of it. Anything that concerns insult, please, count me out of it. Don't say, yeah, you got be dadanoro, you got be timata. Hey. Agbongi pak ba imi ge khoi. Yahoo, what have I done? Yahoo, what have I done to you? Is it because I only play that role of gentility? Is it because I always play that role of no negative bonegbe? What is the gain? Is it because I play that role of Ogume? That's why Amy and Wasum would like want to bring Dada name. Dada man. I beg you, Lawo, my brother or my sister, please. I beg you with whatever you believe on. I'm just on my own. I have no problem with anybody. And I don't want to have problem with anybody. I believe in peace, love and harmony. I believe in unity. And I believe in togetherness. And I believe in brotherly love and sisterly love. I don't have problem with anybody. Believe me. And anything that have to do with insult on media, anything that have to do with insult with social media, me, God have mercy. Why will I insult people? And why will I go so low of bringing people matters to my own pay? What is my profit or what is my benefit? Please, I beg you guys in the name of God. Lao, we no plan who are do me quick. Work be me quiet. Why who are oppressive, eh? Because you read social media, even social media, or social media na atie bonoma. Only I beg you. No offend you with video me ya do him. I'm very good at begging, but God knows wise. Wala wo. Timia, on my knees, I'm pleading. If I've offended you, if I've insulted person close to you, my sister, my brother, do a video and send a message to me. I will apologize. I will apologize to you, to the person in question. Please, I beg you guys. Lawo, egbe me. Ema bon ire social media ni gwa Instagram, ni gwa reply. We he wa fise ni me ogo me kokia. We wa gbe me mi awale. Iwa irie. We wa gbe me iwale. Irie. We wa yo pa ni me. Big. Irie. Because okay, dai de gbelegbe ba. Utie me tie no. On Instagram. Wo eri a Instagram. Iya ni joko ti iyan ari o da oko eri agbia I will be agima. I go beat you. I go do this. You go beat now. You did live video. You go beat the other one. You did live video. I go do this and you did live. How do you tawoko? Did you know what big mountain? Are you guys seeing that mountain? How do you mountain? What book a kinwanagbina? Wherever you make bevan waguna. Oh, what to bua? Do what the limit point? It ya bonona. It you know have bonona. It message to this. It message in wow. What I will not send. Wa me bua was ya be you buako. Nigede to mo paga. Wudu warok yo. Who would die as all of us would die? As all of us did, may go they appreciate your brother die or your sister die. Eh? For we to live as one and let's come together and live a better life. I beg you. Yahweh, I beg go sit down there. Go sit down there, Jerry. He may now to where we have got to where. He may now to where we are working with you. I beg go sit down, Unuje. Mammy metano. Oh, yeah, that didn't that way. Wait, do I not look like your brother? Or do I not look like your cousin or your nephew or your whatever? Go and sit down, Jerry. What do I go video? Go and sit down. Who knows you what you will. You can't do anything. Who knows you? Go and sit down. No, we are protecting me. Or tell me nothing where you walk. What do women? Yahweh, go and sit down there. Nero one of the police. Go and sit down. Baba, what talk with that? Domo Baba Lamogu. Domoza. Samo Scandinavia. Domoza. Go and sit down. Voilà, bien, ouais. Il y a une bête dans nos refus. Il y a une bête fou. Dada, ouais. On m'a dit, Yahweh. Go and sit down, the warrior. Don't worry. O ma be Fulani esme. Ya take over Bini and Chiro. What's manaya gbelia. Ori egwe ori social media Miami. No morion no morion o tonke kanro. No morion toke kan we ori edu. No portrait Fulani esme you tedori. Ori egwima. Ori social media Miami. Go and sit down there. Go and sit down there. I beg. Well, take me out of this insult of social media. La white chebo me. You might like a bo. But come with make a couple. Well, I don't say anything no man. A bo kime be. I watch a bonnet boy. What well. So if Fulani yes me, I take over a dofo. One more young woman. I been a go. Idia one on a no. And if Fulani yes me, I take over a doni makiri. Well, what do I ballet? That no teacher bono live video to watch a bono. What's it there? Go and see that and no women never because we are mega wagagume going wale. I don't say wag aboya hawagwana away that an roiga lue that an roiga be that an unda we na chick bin a miami. Na chick go and see that. Na chick bin a miami. Go and see that there. Yak Fulani esme. Go and fight Fulani esme. Do the only gua. I watch you work the message. Message to this person. Message the message in my way. Oh, but any mighty we will not. Go, sit down there. Ni man waro ni gwa we saga wa ma chibeleni. Wa mi ne no dion fe. Mundu wa go dion fe me. O dion pa egwe me. Ero wa ma keep you there. Ere bank e go lidara. So agboya no really worry wa mu gbegbe me o imi wa wo se we ri wala wo wa sit down la zo mo so we ko agi ka gbe da no ro go sit down there o me no ata o ri egwe we do ri ogwe we dada wa gata dada we ko be ni ne bo o kekian this second one wa begi me gwan yo ima gwan yo because yen go ri ogwe me we women ya talo teme we me gwana tifi mene eti no keke ni ya kiso ha menia oni eko ya jiro unya wagbe dada sit down there am I not like your brother we are we get say well o ma keke lao go and sit down you know people know they understand to me, you cannot tell me that is nice. I know myself that I'm nice. I know that I'm too playful, and I know that I fear trouble where when I know if you understand, I fear trouble where anything that we instigate problem, I know the point. Anything that we make another person, they say, hey, oh, I wish I know. I hear you, boy, yo. No my me bon all wa fun agbon na una mi agbon e ai fun there is life after life, there is life after Europe. Those are the life we are supposed to be living. We know we are work gbeme and when I give me imami won pa no we work gbeme then igele we and don't you think maybe one day I will still ask ina re kini ati ya nota ino when me use social media we work gbeme quick. Go and sit down. You don't have power. When you do have power, go and fight the Fulani S-men or disturb the Benin and Uchi road. Dada masses. Yeah, igboning oro. You know, they know. Go and sit down there, my dear. Go and sit down. Wish you are supposed to be telling me, this boy, why is this boy too calm? What's in Ohana Mue? One moment, no man is always sorry. Or no man, you cook or courier. Whoa, message, whoa, Oma. Nero one of the police. What do you mean? Greetings, Dadamas. Blessed to you and your family. I just. Wow, thank you so much, Mama. God bless you, Mama. I bet why anything that concerns insult with social media, yeah. Egbeni kiri. Mama wa rubio mae. Mama wa rubio joy. Egbeni kiwari. Oboni kiri wedu egbe la mogun eitwe. Nwe pube wiya to Samos Scandinavia ba. Oka kwa 3 o'clock ya mama no die me mami no wi adisi. O ho 20 wo wieni o hogima oni kaya to eketa we oke game ni gwalo. Egbe ni kiri wo boni kiri wedu. Ila mogun ma to animari owo no dion. Oka kwa 6 o'clock ya mi ojoni wakota. Anu menu mi no wi adisi ikini na mi imo so katwe aho oto wieni ne. Lamogu daddy or Lamogu sister or Lamogu brother. Hey, I know where I come from. Walao. Ogo me kukia. Good afternoon, Saiki. Walao. Go and sit down. No atawe. You got better than no. You have no power. You don't have anything to do. What me quick work? Go and sit down. Yagbe Fulani S-men ore binia uchiro dada masisi agbe see ya nga way I beg my people. That's why I see my quarter live video present. I beg anything that concern insult on live video, please do not include me. I don't like it and I don't do it and I don't accept it and I don't dey pay attention to that. As in, I don't subscribe to it. I don't subscribe. Hey, Dada Masi, go and sit down. Who do you go with, my dear? Go and sit down. Why be me the no again? Who guy be me the no again? Dada Masi. Do you guys be me the no again? Okay, Dada Masi is trouble with the hell. Go and sit down. Go and sit down, Unuje. Go and sit down. Yagbe Fulani S-men already. Yagbe Lian. Go and sit down. Ne women, Mundu wa mege ogome ko ki on amu me many do muni egbe ni kereria many ni muni ni do na do amu da me use an geni bie me o egbe ni kere ye ko wo go ve ya wo wa gbe me go sit down ori egbe we do ri egbe we yan bun ya lele yan gbe na we Sabisa forest or Fulani Osme ori egbe we my dear wala wo please. I am on my own way. Ye kuri France na ye kuwa enjoy life with France. Imagine anything okay with do tamami we that what have you done again? You keep by Germany a difference. Imam boyoto. iya we na webe neme o igare relovie o ni ge mi eme but uga uto to ka we do won me ma wo to ama we ni we nyore na ge ko ma be kini je we na stay area na eji no bia na atime we asawa ekenuje na biangoro a itama we my brother or my sister biango no de kiniana mi biango wu wa gbe dada wa sister ori ogwe we ori ogwe we we mountain imagine mountain ori ogwe we dada masi ima uyo to ama we ga yore to do won me ko be ni e bokke kan we social media 10 seconds wana ge eriri nu we because yen go makame no kakame onye oge eniga wo ya kame tiga imi ono na ina imi ona wala wa gari eme gbeyin wa gari eme family and o se va o tien vani ina gele eme and by the grace of God they listen to what I said and I achieve and I acknowledge them for at least listening to what I said. This second one because the first one ekpele momi magaro sote eboya me nini boyo nini me aye ya gwa lo mena. This second one wa beg ina ko wa denigbe meji ina ko wa denigbe meji because I think mudame ari uzangeni bieme dès d'adorer ma respecter famille akere o wohian o vian o dafian mene dada masis o vi jogo biedo o beva nikiri ima wari ogo nigbe rio ni diema keke ni mawe dien meme wa rovio ma una ge weni ya gwan wa ge bo na agele koke bote to mu igbina ije o iye no sie I can't mean no na gbini with social media no na gbina ini na gbina no mi agbone o saluba na the second chance ne go wanzuo o e ko awo ge hia no ma mi oti ko eri oje so we no we awado gbeme no je you are in a Martin you are in a Martin you are not going to do anything you are in a unuwoje Osunde oya wa gbe dada Osunde no me ni we no anagbe me de no agbe me ba my sister ogbo me ko hian lao on me comment pa nene mi o se looking la wo we me awe I don't saw person made near you before. Wo mo ni me ye comment. You say looking la wo. Di tie bon wa no yi sort we no sike we de. La wo ta ma me ya imia. Ko me ko hia. E ga comment ni me say looking la oh my brother or my sister. When ye ko wo me we ma like ya. When ezori ya na we like ya. Gwa gine me como no like zo mano we me a como ku hia iyo mame igo me my whatever I have is for a reason. I keep it for a better days. You understand? You say my way no my way with my do me go do anything. Keep it for the better days, for the rainy days. While disturbable be, you will not be valued again. But when you keep them, when you are in need of them, they will be there to answer you. One say, you may need to weave. I don't mean okay, they can even allow it. Edadana kawa atie bonije, edadana kawa atie bonira, edadana kawa atie bono kwa, edadana kawa atie bonu wie. So na gwini here. Walao, we know we are agreement. Go and sit down. You can't do a miracle. You are in a mat. Unuji Sunday. Lao, my brother, my sister. What you mean? You walk by my walao. Oh me. Hey, where go here? Lao. Mabe, beautiful holiday. No, we are not team, my brother. Dada, yeah, we holiday with France. We yes, oh okay. When we also know we are a city now. Ya gbe awe mashokpa. O ma woni. Wala dia. Wo ya is gbe dada. Go and sit down there. We no okay no you my pride. Well, yeah, those are my brothers. You don't know that brother. You don't know that brother. You don't know that boy. You don't know that guy. Now my brother. Now my what do women? Go and sit down there. But women, I'm not like your brother, or your friend, or your cousin, or your nephew, or whatever. Your name. Go and women, they know again it. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Women. Igbeme wa gbe. I will mean no with the bama. No wa gba lo aga igbi mere do mo no ka igbi na ni me eh na wa gbe dada na o ka me na igbi na re do mo no ka igbi na ni me eh go sit down you are nunu je you are nunu go sit down alao ogo me ko kia o ma kame bege ogo me ko kia o ma de kame kan ezo is not in my agenda. In our agenda, give me, hey, the way Nyaya elevate here, the way Nyaya elevate here, agenda, me really watching me. Hey, God, imagine, hey, my sister. Ya wa do wuju oru de to awa gbe me ya wa tie dede me na tie dede ya do you wa go social media ya wa tie ni bie me ni ya wa do go you oru ni ya do go you oru no do ya we beria no do ya we beria uda to agbo mi ya no bi ya we udo ta go and sit down there on Sunday. Man, I don't understand that I'm a very lovely, kind person. Brother, you too for real. I'm going to analyze that. I'm going to present that. I will not present that. So, the wala are too gentle. I fear trouble. In a tears on it. I'm just on my own because I have life after social media. I have content after social media. I have people I will see on real life after social media. I have a name to protect aside social media. I have people that can do business with outside social media. I have friends that can meet with outside social media. I can't because of social media. People will be saying, who be that boy? Hey, people start saying what they don't know about you or what they know about you or what you choose not to do again because as in people will like want to push you for you to want to no I mean you know temptation come in different way but ability for you to overpower makes you a human. Emi ya respond ji emi ya baligbeta when me talk with me go me excuse your body la jawo me excuse your body la jawo emi ya baligbeji emi ya wa ye tin power no me me so wa ata wala wo na dia wan to carry wala wo mo na leader me no we yan wa gbe me ni na matide unu you know matunoche no gbe fulani esme not take over Edo State they don't take some part of Edo State or matter with that yan do gbe they no agbe me ba o see that there o emorion na you no get power emorion. So I love you guys so much. I remain your brother, your friend, Dadama says, man. And I pray that love and unity reign among us, peace reign among us, for we to know that no matter what, we are brothers, we are sisters. So I think that should be our number one priority. We should let love lead, unity, should let peace, harmony, and togetherness be our number one priority. That is what I stand for. And that is what I believe. I believe in peace, you know. I believe in peace. I don't believe in trouble and all those stuff. So I'll go and go here. Insult on social media. Why get camera? See looking loud, brother. Hey, commenting him. Lao brother or sister who say looking Lao. In our offend the way message him ya in ya. Yak with voice record go. Lao. Hey, any small to why I agree that now that man is saying go do this. Now that man is saying go do that. Lao wo. Kede da do ye yi gwa. Ye ko boku me yi be. Okay. Orion no wa me with social media na Orion gbi marapa. Unu mayaje, unu. No morie gwa, no morie gbina. Egwezo. Unu mayaje. Are we powerless people? All of us are powerless people. I will Sunday. All of us now Sunday. We powerless people. We powerless people. All of us are powerless. Social media man, I want you. I win my ala jambani ma gbina. Mo ka le papa wa gbe meyi. I win ado you go kune gbina mo ka wa le meneme wanera. I win a yoma kune gbina mo ka wa le meneme yoma. Dikenya na mi. Ono se na ku gboko be yigbe. O ma ke amu awiro na wa ma ge eme mi no ya ka yiki. Ono se ona mo. So una gbe mena ugbe me kweku because imo mani ya ka yiki. Mo pa we yime no. Ni imagine it say Ghana. You beat me now, you beat me for not get anybody maybe my to do maybe my backbone or cool. You know, before person any small thing go they fear. You know, say okay, this boy they fear say because no man not win on it. Yes now. So leave me as I the fear, so leave her like that. Because I the fear now, you want to take advantage of that. You want to take up hey dada na wetin I do presenter na wetin I do why you come carry luga follow me say na wetin I do why you come carry luga follow me say na wetin I do presenter I say na wetin I do dada ma say eni no hey baba now I greet you. Yati Weban, okay, I'll call you after my live video now. Any no, Dada, where I need you, Bogewa, where they, Dada can help you. You can still help me tomorrow. Now, name, when we talk, I boy, I met you, we bo, beg a tiro, Etinimeti Agbina. Waiting I do it. Why you call carry Luga follow me say na waiting I do it. Present and waiting I do it. Present and waiting I do it. Why you come carry my matter for your mouth say na waiting I do it. Why you come carry Luga follow me say na waiting I do it. I think I enjoy the fun. It's just the fun, you know. I'm just too kind for that. I'm just too humble. I'm just too loyal. I'm just too fearful. I'm a God-fearing person. I'm just too, as in, I'm too lovely. Again, ni ya kiss. Again, ni ya enjoy ni ya wanyo. Again, ni ya gwale e biango. When he marry man, how we go you how we work we make go we do how we make be ni ekeni afi okoji na ekeni afi e fish veggie how we go consider them me gwale ekeni me na mwe we had you guys bidada noro you guys bidada go sit down ori gbe maropa unu maje. God bless you guys so much. I pray you see this that message say me say want beat me. I pray maybe say see this message. You go know say boy na ori engele go. Ni wasi ano wa azu okyan. Wa zo mo boni wa azu okyan la ori egbe me. Understand? So God bless you. I'm seeing my holiday is still going on. Man. Oh. See view. Oh. Yesterday I was in the sea. I think I'll post the picture. I was in the sea with sheep. I did see with sheep yesterday. You know, we were driving around. Man, you get one construction. I know. I beg. No, I'll show. I think I will upload the video. I don't know that a video get. I've been a picture. Because see, when the sheep went past, the sea, the bridge go cut. The bridge go cut. It will demarcate. Ah man, constructions, eh? Don't worry, man. I'm having my good holiday, having fun, things like that. So God bless you guys so much. Stay blessed and shalom. Please, I believe in peace, love, and unity. Please don't insult me, don't insult anybody. Please, let's live with unity. God bless you, my dear. La wagbemo quick was on my bonnie was walking. La was on bonnie was walking. My dear one. So God bless you. Stay blessed and shalom. Dada Mercy says so.